It is still. I cannot believe it is still storming. It is right now 5 o'clock. I'm not gonna post until an hour because I gotta do stuff on my phone. I gotta call Kamari and some other people. My mother and I don't know who else. Oh dang, that wind is getting inside. I'm only gonna make y'all look in the inside for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. But I cannot believe this storm is here already. What? How is it here? And it's not gonna pass until 8:30. 8:30. Bro, there's literally things flying around. Y'all can't see it, but I can. Like, look. Oh, y'all can't see that. Because I gotta zoom in, but I can't. Alright, now I can zoom in. Wow. It is so amazing here. I gotta stop zooming in, okay? I just gotta stop. I zoomed in at part 3 already. Yeah, this is part 4, I think. Yeah, this is part 4. I cannot believe this. It's my father's birthday, and I'm literally... Bro, there's something falling. I don't even care no more. I cannot believe this day. It's the best day ever for my father. Because his birthday. And now it got ruined. All because of a dust storm. Look at this place. Y'all, man, I wish I could see this at front. Look. Hold on. See? That's literally a paper bag. Or a balloon, I forgot.